In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Facebook Messenger username. So changing your Facebook Messenger username is a really simple thing to do. So the first thing you will need to do is open up your Messenger app. Once you open up Messenger, you will obviously be on this page here where it does display all of your chats. And from here, you need to click on your profile picture in the top left hand corner of your page. Once you click on that, as you can see under profile, there is an option now for username. If you click on the username option, what that will do is it will give you an option to copy the link to your messenger, or it will give you the option to edit your username. If you click on edit your username, as you can see, once you click on that, you can change this username to whatever you like as long as it is available on Facebook. So what I could do is, for example, put Ryan2MT. And then from now on, what this will be is this will be your custom link for people to find you on Facebook and Facebook Messenger, guys. So it's just that simple to change your Messenger username. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.